Good morning. How are you all today? Hopefully y'all are doing great and you had a great day yesterday. Well, today what we're going to learn about is the different parts of a plant. Does anybody know what a plant is? I actually have someone who's going to come and help us. Let's see if I can find him. Hello. Whoa. Thank you for coming to assist us and help us on what we're going to learn today. Does anybody know what kind of animal he is? Well, he's yellow and he looks like he has a beak and some eyes. And he likes to be in the water. Maybe you've seen him at a lake. Jerry? A duck, that's right. Give yourself a round of applause. All right, so what we're going to be learning about today is the parts of a plant. And I got a cool little goodie bag here. And inside of this bag is the different parts of a plant. So what I'm going to do is go in here and see what I can find. Can you help me? Wow, that's one part, but that doesn't look like a flower to me. Let's see what else I can find in here. Wow, look at that. That looks like something I might see outside on a walk. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Wow, I got another one. I can't seem to see any roots in here, but we'll get to that in a little bit. All right, so sometimes when you go outside for a walk, you might end up seeing something like this. Does anybody already know what the parts of a plant are? Melissa? That is the flower, the pink part. Great job. High five. All right, so what we're going to do is talk about the different parts of a plant today. And I'll be drawing that out for you too, and then you get to do a really cool art activity later on. So just a little bit of information, just like Melissa ended up helping me out, was that the top part is the flower. Let's see if our friend Mr. Ducky actually has an idea of what the other parts are. Well, I think that part right there is a leaf. That's right, that is a leaf. Great job, Ducky. And I wonder where the stem is. Does anybody know where the stem is? Derek, it is that part at the bottom. Great job. Awesome. Pat yourself on the back. Now, what part are we missing over here? We're actually missing something. Does anybody know what we're missing? Melissa? Good try. You're on the right track. I see what you're thinking about, but let's think a little deeper. So are flowers just flying up in the sky? Yeah, they're on the ground. So if they're on the ground somewhere, there's actually something that helps keep it upright. Good job, Derek. It is the roots. Awesome. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and help you out by drawing a few things on my little board. And then you're going to help me with a cool little activity. All right, so like Melissa said at the beginning, we have a flower. So that's the flower part of a plant. Then, Jared, do you remember what this part is called? That is the stem. Awesome. Does anybody know what this part is called? Leslie? Great job. And then the part that was missing that ends up helping keep it upright and like take the water and bring it to the other parts of the plant, which is just super cool. What's that part called? The roots. Awesome. So y'all are going to be designing your very own flower on your piece of paper later on, and I want to see all the awesome colors that you put for me, and Mr. Duck is going to be super excited to see the collage that you make. All right, so I have a little song for you about the parts of a plant. And if you remember the song that goes like head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. So it kind of goes along with that beat, okay? But we're going to be doing it about the parts of a plant. So we got flower, stem, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. Flower, stem, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. And all it takes is sun, soil, and water. Flower, stem, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. Now, I want you to actually end up trying that with me. So for the flower part, what I did was I just pointed to my head. Okay, so that's flower. For a stem, since it's kind of the backbone of the plant, you're going to point to yourself. So you're the stem. So flower, try that. Flower, stem. All right, let's try both of them together. Flower, stem. And then after the stems, we have leaves, right? So these are our little leaves right here. And then for roots, all I ended up doing was putting my hands straight down because they're to the ground. And you can't actually see me touching my feet right now. But if you want to touch your feet, you can to represent the roots. All right, so flower, stem, leaves, and roots. Okay, so that's how the song goes. So let's see if you can do it with me. I'm going to test you first. Can you point to flower? Great job, Melissa. That is your head. Awesome. Most of y'all all got that. Now, let me trick y'all a little bit. What is leaves? That is leaves. And the stem? You do point to yourself. All of y'all got that. And then we got the roots. That is the roots. All right, so one more time. And Mr. Ducky would like to see how well you do as well. And he'll try to help you out. All right, let's do this. We got flowers, stem, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. Flower, stem, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. All it takes is sun, soil, and water. Flower, stem, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. Great job. Give yourselves a round of applause. So y'all just ended up figuring out the different parts of a plant. Now, to see if you really know it, what I'm going to do is share my screen with you, and I want you to help me tell me what the different parts of a plant are. All right, so if we're looking at my screen right here, there's actually something that we didn't talk about on here, which I want to see if you actually know what it is. All right, so right here, what is that part called? The flower. There we go. And this part right here, what's that called? The leaves. And who can tell me where the stem is? That is the stem right there. Excuse my writing, it's kind of hard on the computer. And right here, the roots. Great job. Now, what about this part? We actually didn't talk about that one. What does that look like? It is a vegetable or a fruit. Which one does it look like? Is it an apple, a pear, a banana? It is a tomato. So that would be our fruit. Awesome. So now what I want you to do is you are going to create your own plant diagram for me on your sheet of paper. So I'm going to give you a few minutes to go ahead and design yours for me so that me and Mr. Ducky can see it and see what an awesome job you ended up doing. And then whenever you're done, we will end up sharing ours with everyone in the class. That would be so awesome. Now, we're actually running out of time right now, so it was so great to have y'all right now in class, and hopefully you learned the different parts of the plant and you can go back and teach someone. So next time you're outside walking, be sure to pay attention and look and see what the different parts of a plant are. All right, guys, bye. I hope I'll see you soon.